Talk Purposeful people, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I am using these bad boys to do my hair. And I'm going to go from this to this look. I have been seeing videos on how people have done it with this tool specifically, so it actually comes like this. Some people call them silicone curlers. I've heard them be called spoolies. I don't know. But what it is it's like this, and your hair actually wraps around this portion, and then it snaps down and keeps all that hair secured in there. So this is what we're going to be doing today. I've been seeing the best results when people use mousse, so I purchased this Lotta Body. It's coconut and shea oils, and it's a wrap foaming mousse. So this is what I'm going to be using. I did quite a bit of research before I actually started recording this video because I want to make sure that I am doing all of these steps right. So I figured in my head like I should probably be putting some type of like leave-in conditioner on and underneath that mousse, so my hair doesn't get like dried, because I think of mousse and I think like, I don't know a lot of black people that use it on their hair, but I've been seeing crazy reviews about people putting mousse on their hair. So I'm like, I'm just gonna go with it. Nobody was putting any type of leave-in conditioner on their hair before adding the mousse, but I am going to add an oil. So I have this olive oil that I'm gonna just put on my hair. It's a conditioning spray. I just washed my hair. But you guys, we are gonna get through this. This is gonna be a great thing. We're gonna go from this to this. And yeah, stay tuned. done with the first half of my head. Honestly, I don't know how these are gonna look because it's really hard for me to get these to like the root of my head. But you know what? Just wanted to give you a quick intermission. Gonna keep going. And then we'll discuss a little bit after. Y'all, I am done and I feel like Big Perm. If you don't know who Big Perm is, Google it. And like also go watch Friday. Like, anyway, big worm. But that's how I feel. Or like somebody's mama. I don't care. I hope it's cute. This was challenging. Honestly, getting these things like super close to your root is not as easy as it looks. So I'm hoping that it's not too much frizz at the root. Hope these come out cute and bomb and pop in. I honestly don't know how long these take to dry. I'm assuming they'll be dry by probably tomorrow. I don't have a lot of product in here. I just used the oil and the mousse, so hopefully it'll be dry by tomorrow. If not, I will show you guys the end result in 2 days. Well, for you, it'll be about 2 seconds, so it doesn't really matter. I will be back to show you guys what the style looks like. Hopefully it's poppin', hopefully it lasts. Stay tuned, guys, and we will show you that end result. So I think I'm gonna just test one of the ones in the back. No, it's not dry yet. It's not dry. I have to go through this style one more day. I'm probably going to, oh yeah, no, it's not dry at all. Shoot, this is not the plant. This is not the plant at all. Okay, this is wishful thinking it would be dry within 24 hours, but that's okay. I am probably gonna hit it with a quick cool dry with the blow dryer. Thanks for coming to check in with me, guys. It's not ready. Yo, sometimes you gotta risk it for your curls to be popping. So this will be my style for the next 24 hours again. I will be back, hopefully with a dry style that I can show you guys, and hopefully these curls are popping. Hey guys, it's a new day. It's been like 3 full days since I did this style, and guys, I'm already like a little frustrated. I feel like I've tightened up a few of these, but like some of them are hanging super low, so I'm a little nervous to see what these curls look like. So let's take these out. Let's see how they look. Always, always, always before taking a style like this down, you want to make sure that you have oil on your hand so that when you're taking it down, you're not stripping any of that moisture that's already on your hair. So let me oil up and then let's see what these curls are even looking like. So I had to stop the fast forwarding really quick because I feel like I'm going to be throwing references around this entire video. I don't know if you guys have seen 17 Again with Tia and Tamara Mowry, but when she first turns 17 again, the grandma where she turns 17 again and she like takes out half of her curler set and she's like dancing in the mirror like this for like an hour because her curls are popping again. I can relate. I stan 17 Again. That movie was one of my favorite movies growing up. Guys, I'm honestly content before I even like separate and look at them. This is a vibe. I'm gonna take the rest of these out and we'll talk again further. Okay guys, I'm just finishing up and like honestly, without even picking it out, it looks so good. Looks so good until I take out this one right here. Honestly, it's fine. It'll give it a little bit more volume. Gosh, I don't know how I want to fluff this out though. Like, do you guys see the definition of these? Like, let me give you that full 360, you know? don't know what I want to do. I low-key feel like I don't want to separate these yet, because as I was like oiling up around the edges and putting it in the back, like look at how cute this style is by itself. Ugh. I'm gonna throw this up in a ponytail, see if I can't get a look out of it. But this is what they look like, fresh out, completely not separated yet. They fall at a good level. They hang, they have bounce. Like, oh, I'm in love. I love this style. Thank you, Annie, for getting these for me. I think I'm really gonna try and let this style stretch for like a week or two. I'm probably gonna not separate these at all. Put it into a quick high ponytail, maybe add some like curls on the side to hang down, and we'll see if it's a vibe. Or maybe if I just keep all of them hanging in the front and it's like a front bang. I don't know, this is cute though. It's cute. I think I just want to do like a weird high ponytail right here. Fluff this hair around this pink hair tie so that you can't see it. But then I think this is the look I'm going for. I don't know what it is about this. I kind of like this weird bang in the front. They're hanging cute. I don't even want to separate them. Honestly, I'm content with these curls, but this is a cute vibe for me. I'm into it for sure. There you have it. This is my perm rod set, my spoolies, I think they're called. But whatever you call these guys, if you do the style, just comment a picture of it below. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video, and we will see you guys next week. Thank you for going back to doing styles with purpose. Bye.